Hi there, students. To overpower as a verb. To defeat by superior force. So I overpowered the burglar and took him to the police station. Overpowering, an adjective. If something is overpowering, it's so strong that it's irresistible. Okay, so there was an overpowering smell of perfume. I hate it when people use too much perfume. Yeah, it was so strong that it was the only thing that you could smell. Overpoweringly, incapable of being resisted. So this smell was overpoweringly strong. Okay, so to overpower, to defeat by superior force. So it took 10 policemen to overpower him. Okay, so the police finally managed to overpower the gunman. They used force to overpower the demonstrators. Okay, so to overpower somebody, to overpower something, to be vanquished, to be beaten, to be overcome by superior force, to affect so strongly as to make ineffective. So I was overpowered by the whiskey that I had drunk and went to sleep. And then you could also use this overpowered to give something excessive mechanical power. So the engine of this car is overpowered. It's too big for the car itself to have more power than is absolutely necessary. Okay, so to overpower, to beat, to vanquish. The number one seed overpowered the challenger in the tennis championship. To overpower, to overcome, but particularly with emotion. So I was overpowered by my feeling of love for her. Yeah, it was just an overpowering feeling of love and affection. I was overcome. I was overwhelmed by it. I was so overpowered by shame that I was unable to speak. I was unable to say anything. Okay, so to overpower, to defeat someone because you're bigger and stronger, or a smell or a feeling overpowers you. It's so strong that it makes you feel weak. The heat overpowered me and I had to lie down. The bad smell was overpowering, and I had to leave and go somewhere else. Okay, so something that's overpowering it's very, very strong. His overpowering laugh made him identifiable immediately. Okay, so something that's overpowering is stronger. My reasoning is overpowering, and you just have to accept it because it's just so logical. Okay, so to gain control over because you've got superior strength. Yeah, like to overwhelm. Or if something's too intense for you. I was overpowered with the emotion. I was overpowered by the fumes. Okay, so something that overpowers you. It defeats you. It defeats you because of its massive strength. Okay, so very often in the passive, I was overwhelmed. I was overpowered by this. I was overpowered with confusion. I was overpowered with desire for her. Okay, I did arm wrestling and I was completely overpowered by my opponent. Okay, so to overpower, to affect someone very strongly, very severely. to take control of somebody because you're physically stronger than that person, or to be overpowered by a smell or a taste. There was the taste of garlic was overpowering, and you couldn't taste anything else in the dish. So overpower, that's the origin. Too much power. Then let's see, overpowering, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think use anywhere. So to overpower, overpowering.